Hello guys. So market is normal and good for trade now. This is dark cloud cover, bearish candlestick pattern. That's why I trade lower, and I expect this will be a winning trade. Let's see what happen. Always try to trade following candlestick pattern, and that will give you almost 95% to 100% winning ratio. And in this pair I am seeing a level here, and this is working as a resistance. Market is downtrend, and we saw very strong retracement from previous candlesticks. That's why I trade upper, and I expect this will be a winning trade. Yes, on this trade. In this pair, this is a downtrend, and this already broke the level, and we can expect a retracement from this level. This will be a winning trade. Let's see what happens. Yes, I won this trade. Thank you guys.